When you first step into this home, it's impossible not to notice the warm and welcoming feeling. I love this big bay window in the front room, which was recently replaced in 2021, along with all of the other windows. Other recent updates include the electrical system, the furnace, the air conditioner, the roof, and soffits and fascia, meaning that all of those big ticket and really expensive updates are taken care of. Now in total, you'll find 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms here. 3 bedrooms on the upper level, including a spacious primary with this cheater access to a fully renovated 4-piece bath. Downstairs, you'll find the 4th bedroom with a big bright window and a beautifully updated 3-piece bathroom. Now this home is a side split, and what I love is that the lower level has these large windows which really extend your family's living space. This comfortable family room has views out the front window, but then as a bonus, the lower level here is also finished and makes a great exercise space or playroom or even an office if you need it. Now lastly, the backyard, like many in this area, has beautiful mature trees that provide shade on those hot sunny days so that you can spend as much time outdoors as possible this summer.